So how long does it take to make money on Twitch? Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In this video I'll simply guide you on how you can actually make money on Twitch and how long does it really take to monetize your content and start making money. So just make sure to watch this video till the very end. So if you are a Twitch streamer and then you've been wondering about how you can actually make money, well, do not worry, because I'm going to describe to you what it really means to become a Twitch affiliate and then how you can make money and their business model. So first of all, if I come to the achievements tab, which is the help section page of official Twitch website, they say that to see your achievements you need to head to your dashboard and then you have to just click the hamburger icon, and once you click on the hamburger icon to open the menu, just you can click on analytics, then you can go ahead and click on achievements over here as well. So as you can see analytics and then you can see achievements, right? When you go to achievements, you can actually start your first stream, which is the it begins tab. Then you have to explore your dashboard and update your stream title and then update the category. After that, you can see you have to build a community. This is only going to be unlocked after you've reached 50 followers and get 5 people chatting at the same time, right? So this is when you want to build a community. Now comes the main part, is to become a Twitch affiliate or to actually make money. So if you want to become a Twitch affiliate, again you have to reach 50 followers and then stream for at least 8 hours, stream on 7 different days, and an average of actually 3 viewers in order to become a Twitch affiliate. So you can see, to be eligible to apply to the Twitch affiliate program, you must meet all 4 requirements within the same 30-day period. All calculations exclude premieres, reruns, subscriber streams, and watch parties. And then after that, you can also become a Twitch partner. If you look over here, it says stream for 25 hours, stream on 12 different days, and an average of 75 viewers. So if you just want to become an affiliate, you can just select this option and then make sure to reach all this eligibility criteria. If you want to become a partner, just like you have YouTube monetization partner, right, you can actually make sure to meet these eligibilities over here. So hope this video cleared the doubts as to how you can make and how long does it take to make money on Twitch. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions though, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.